Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's world. So today is biology day. Yes, we are made of cells. These plants are made of cells. Every living thing is made of cells. Not this thing. This is artificial. Okay, so today we are talking about cells. It is basic. Okay. Before that, I'll explain a bit about biology. So, biology is the scientific study of life. Biology comes from the Greek word bios logos, which are actually two separate words mixed into one word, which means life study, because it studies life, of course. Okay. Life on Earth emerged about 3.7, yes, that's big, billion years ago. But do you know what? The Earth started about 4.5 billion years ago. That's just 1 billion years difference. Okay. Anton van Leeuwenhoek improvised the microscope. By using this, it would be more easier to see cells and understand biology. Okay. Biology is divided into three forms or three fields, which is botany, the study of plants, zoology, animals, and microbiology, cells and microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, even us, which not us technically, it is the cells inside of us. Okay, the basic unit of organism is cells. Cells have the perfect right to become organisms. They cannot breathe, but they can reproduce, they can have energy, they can die. Whoa. And they can be infected exactly like us. Clapping to myself. Each cell has characteristics of life. Yes, I explained. All organisms are made of matter. Matter is made of atoms. I explained it in the last video. But yeah, the human matter is just cells, and cells is just proteins. And proteins is just molecules, which is again atoms. Okay. Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen make 96% of a cell. And calcium, phosphorus, sulfur, and sodium chloride, which is salt, and also magnesium make up about 3.7% only. Very, very small. Okay. Now I will show you a cell. There are two types of cells, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have no nucleus. Like one example is bacteria, which have no nucleus, and also red blood cells is one example. And the other eukaryotes are the cells that make our body. They have a nucleus. Okay, now, I'm going to explain a cell and its organelles, which are the parts of a cell, to compare with a company. Okay. This is the cell membrane. Okay. The cell membrane is too easy to say. It's a border that doesn't make it the company mixed with the other companies. The next are MHC class 1 molecules. These molecules are like advertisements. These show what is happening inside the cell, like in real life, what companies show what they produce. Cells show what they are producing, like proteins they produce inside them. Okay, The next one is cytoplasm. I didn't draw it because it's all of this. It is the main company. This is the nucleus. The nucleus has DNA and it is like the HQ or the headquarters, which is the main place where companies have. Without the HQ, the company won't live there. Okay, there will be also chromosomes which make DNA. DNA is the basic instructions of what life is made of. Like how the cell must work, how the cell must show its out this window, like that. The next are gonna be ribosomes. Yeah, these are very small. You didn't expect them to be so small. These ribosomes are like factories. These make items or proteins in the cell. Okay, these items or the supplies from them come from messenger RNA. From the DNA, from the nucleus to these ribosomes, which make more proteins, which help the cell grow and give it food. Then it shows the window through the window. Then it gives the stuff what the protein does. Okay. The next is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Too easy to say. These things hold more ribosomes, which is kind of great. Now our soft endoplasmic reticulums. You thought only rough ones were there? These are rough because they have ribosomes, which are rough. Soft endoplasmic reticulums are like the CEOs. It helps the company stay in shape without collapsing Yeah. The next is Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus it actually moves stuff. Like from a ribosome, after doing that, it will go to here. Then it will process the item and then give the protein the special job it does. The next are the centrioles. I'm gonna draw these like this. So centrioles are like the trucks. These move items in the cell, like how these came from there to there, somewhere like that. Okay, the next one is lysosome. These lysosomes are the garbage or dustbin. If something mistake happens, like they build the wrong one, it will go to the dustbin. The next one is the mitochondria. It makes food. Yeah, food for the cell. Without it, it will starve to death. I feel hungry without it. Okay, the next one is, guess it. These are the lysosomes. These are the mitochondria. These are the Golgi apparatus. And there are the vacuoles. These are actually smaller than actual. As these are the animal cells, these are more smaller. But in plant cells, these are like whole seas. Vacuoles store water and are like lakes in the specific area. And this is all of what a cell is. If you forgot what it is, it's a cell. An animal cell, which is a eukaryote. This, here you can watch it if you want to sometime. Then bye.